To use JetBlue credits, first ensure you are signed in to the JetBlue application, which can be accessed through a web browser by typing in the website's URL. Once you have access to the homepage, you can utilize the features available. If you've canceled a non-refundable JetBlue Airways flight, you can retain the value of your ticket in the form of JetBlue travel credits. These credits are stored in your travel bank account and can be used towards future JetBlue flights and related expenses, including the air portion of a vacation package, change fees, and applicable fare increases when changing a booking. Note that these credits typically expire 12 months from the date your ticket was created. To use your JetBlue credits, simply log into your account, create a new reservation, and proceed to the standard booking page. When you reach the payment page, select travel credits as your form of payment, and a drop-down menu will appear displaying your available credits. Your credits can be used to cover various purchases, including airfare, taxes, and change or cancellation fees, for yourself or when booking a flight for someone else. By following these steps, you can easily use your JetBlue credits to pay for future flights and related expenses.